Hi everyone, I'm Ed, the architect. And in this video, I want to tell you about 3 types of wallpaper that you can use in your home, which I use in my projects. And the clients love them. They're super trendy, really modern styles that will decorate your space. And you also won't spend much with these options I'm going to show you right now. Well guys, in my projects, I really like to use wallpaper in certain areas of the apartment or house. I'll give you some examples here, like on the wall behind the couple's bed, for instance. It's a great wall for us to put wallpaper on in the television room. The television wall is another area. It's also another wall that really calls for wallpaper, right? Want to see another cool example? Here we also have a hallway that leads to the bedrooms, you know, that private hallway. It also really calls for wallpaper in projects, but which pattern should you choose? What texture, colors? What type of wallpaper can you use? Look, there are 3 types of wallpaper that I like to use in my projects. The first wallpaper has a texture, an inner linen finish, similar to this shirt I'm wearing here. A linen texture. When you run your hand over the wall, it feels like you're touching a linen fabric. This is, without a doubt, the top choice among my clients, especially for private areas inside the house, like in apartments. This is a model I really like. The second model is one that reflects a burnt cement look, a more stained effect, like this one behind me, see? This one is a more stained burnt cement model. Let's put it this way, it decorates and hides the imperfections of the wall quite a bit, right? It's another model that can give you 2 solutions in one. Besides decorating, it also hides imperfections on the wall. And the third model is a vinyl wallpaper. Okay, the vinyl material type is very resistant, and it can even be applied in bathrooms because of its durability and the fact that it's washable, alright? There are 3 types of wallpaper that I like to use in my projects. And to help you out, I'll leave the link down below in the description of this video, which is where I recommend my clients buy the products. Alright, so he goes there and picks the color we agreed on for the project. I even suggest colors to him. I'm going to leave here for you some shades of beige, sand, some shades of green, blue, and gray. In the style of a type of linen wallpaper, okay, burnt cement like the one I have back here and the vinyl one. So feel free, I always recommend them. The links are down here for you to choose from. It's a cheap way to make a wall in your house or apartment stand out without spending much. If you have some skill or experience, you can do it yourself at home and save on labor costs. I hope you enjoyed this content. Here's my tip for a project that I use with my clients, and I'm bringing it to you here. Followers on the channel, alright? Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to like and comment on the video. If you would use one of these models that I just showed you here in the video, let me know. Take care.